Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to hide a disk drive letter from Windows 11 PC. Once you will hide, it will be unusable until you assign a drive letter to that drive. To hide a drive letter, first click on this one, a start button, and type here disk management. In the search results, click on this one, create and format hard disk partitions option. In the disk management window, select the partition you want to hide, then click on it and select here change drive letter and paths option. Then click on this one remove button, click yes, and now you will see from File Explorer on your Windows 11 that particular drive will be hidden